Join me as I dive into the WCT stock forecast for 2025 and see if I can figure out whether it's going to explode or flop. WCT stock has been on the radar of many investors, and for good reason. The company's current market position is quite interesting, with a lot of potential for growth. Its forecast is crucial for investors because it could mean the difference between making a smart investment or missing out on a big opportunity. One of the main challenges WCT faces in the market is competition. The industry is crowded, and WCT needs to stay ahead of the game to remain competitive. Economic factors also play a role, as changes in the market can affect the company's growth. Furthermore, WCT's financial health is a concern, as it needs to manage its debt and expenses to stay afloat. Additionally, regulatory changes could impact the company's operations and profitability. Market trends are also worth considering when looking at WCT's stock performance. The company's financial data shows some promising signs, with revenue growth and increasing profitability. Expert opinions are also optimistic, with some analysts predicting a significant increase in the stock's value. However, it's essential to take these predictions with a grain of salt and do your own research. Analyzing the data, I found that WCT stock performance could be influenced by several factors leading up to 2025. The company's product pipeline looks promising, with several new products in development. Moreover, WCT's partnerships and collaborations could lead to new revenue streams. Another significant factor is the company's management team, which has a proven track record of success. The most significant insight I have about WCT's future is that it's poised for significant growth. One of the main catalysts that could lead to a stock explosion is the company's upcoming product launch. This launch could be a game changer for WCT, as it could attract new investors and drive up the stock's value. Furthermore, WCT's focus on innovation could lead to new opportunities and increased profitability. In conclusion, WCT stock has both potential risks and rewards. On the one hand, the company faces significant challenges, such as competition and economic uncertainty. On the other hand, its financial data and expert opinions suggest a promising future. By 2025, WCT stock could explode if the company executes its plans successfully. If you've been following my previous videos, you know that I've been covering stock predictions for a while now. I'd love to hear your thoughts on WCT stock in the comments below. Check out my previous video on stock predictions for more insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.